Area forecast discussion. Jacksonville today, the Jacksonville region is transitioning into a more unsettled weather pattern. Southerly winds are transporting moist air northward, leading to increased humidity and instability, particularly in north-central Florida. Afternoon temperatures are expected to reach the 90s inland, with slightly cooler conditions along the coast due to the sea breeze. The combination of high dew points and daytime heating will result in heat index values approaching the upper 90s. Isolated thunderstorms may develop this afternoon, mainly south of a line from Gainesville to St. Augustine. These storms could produce strong downdrafts and localized damaging wind gusts due to dry air aloft, enhancing downdraft potential. Pilots should be aware of potential turbulence and wind shear in and around these storms. After sunset, any convection will diminish quickly. However, a mid-level disturbance and associated mesoscale convective system may approach the northern part of the area late tonight, possibly bringing additional showers or storms. Low stratus clouds are expected to develop Sunday morning as moist air continues to spread northward. Area forecast discussion. Melbourne. In the Melbourne area, high pressure remains dominant, resulting in mostly sunny and humid conditions. Afternoon temperatures will climb into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. The sea breeze will develop and move inland during the day, potentially triggering isolated to scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon and early evening. These storms may produce strong, gusty winds and frequent lightning. Pilots should anticipate possible convective turbulence and reduced visibility in and around these storms. Overnight, conditions will be mostly clear with lows in the mid-70s. The pattern of afternoon thunderstorms is expected to continue into the coming days as the sea breeze remains active. Area forecast discussion. Tampa. The Tampa region is experiencing hot and humid conditions under the influence of high pressure. Afternoon highs will reach the mid-90s with heat index values potentially exceeding 100 degrees. The sea breeze will develop and move inland, possibly initiating isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. These storms could produce strong, gusty winds and frequent lightning. Pilots should be prepared for potential convective turbulence and brief periods of reduced visibility. Overnight, conditions will be mostly clear with lows in the mid-70s. The pattern of afternoon thunderstorms is expected to persist through the week as the sea breeze remains active. Area forecast discussion. Miami. In the Miami area, a diffuse frontal boundary has left behind a moist environment conducive to afternoon thunderstorms. With diminished mid-level flow, both the Atlantic and Gulf sea breezes will move inland, increasing the likelihood of boundary collisions and storm development, particularly over inland areas. Atmospheric conditions, including steep low-level lapse rates and high surface-based instability, support the potential for strong to marginally severe storms. These storms may produce hail, strong downbursts, and frequent lightning. Pilots should be vigilant for rapidly developing storms, potential wind shear, and reduced visibility. Overnight, conditions will be mostly clear with lows in the upper 70s. The pattern of afternoon thunderstorms is expected to continue as sea breeze interactions remain active. Summary of the peninsula's weather. Across the Florida Peninsula today, high pressure is maintaining hot and humid conditions, with afternoon temperatures ranging from the upper 80s to mid-90s. Sea breeze development is expected in all regions, leading to isolated to scattered afternoon thunderstorms. These storms may produce strong, gusty winds, frequent lightning, and brief periods of heavy rainfall. Pilots should anticipate potential convective turbulence, wind shear, and reduced visibility in and around these storms. Overnight, conditions will be mostly clear with lows in the 70s. The pattern of afternoon thunderstorms is expected to persist through the week as sea breeze interactions remain active.